Taimi is a wonderful dating app designed specifically for LGBTQI+ community. This is an app where you can freely express yourselves and you can also find your perfect match amongst thousands of people. Hey everyone, welcome back to App Guide. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to change your Taimi password. First, open your Taimi. Tap on the profile icon on top of your right corner. Tap on the three-dot icon on the top of your right corner. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Now tap on the option that says Change Account Password. Tap your current password. Tap your new password. Then tap Change Password. And there it is. You have successfully changed your Taimi password. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe App Guide for more videos.